Dongguan Hongde Hardware Products Company Limited was founded in 2013 and is located in Dongguan, China. Our company covers an area of 3,000 square meters and has more than 110 sets of production equipments. As a professional metal fabrication supplier, we have excellent teams who focus on product development and design, quality control and inspection, company running, and insist on making great efforts to develop new products to meet different requirements. We are specialized in manufacturing of hardware molds, stamping parts, deep drawing parts, CNC lathe parts, and springs. Our company has rich experience in automotive electronics, medical, and sensor industry. Our main products include thermometer accessories, battery contact spring, blood pressure accessories, sensor housing, thermowell, etc., metal parts. In order to supply the satisfactory products and services, we have built a modern quality management system, which is in strict accordance with international standards. Besides, because of large overseas markets, most of our products have got ISO 9001 certificate. Reach and RoHS test. With export license, we export products to Germany, Japan, Canada, Turkey, South Korea, and other Asian and European regions. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have had a reliable reputation among our customers because of our professional services, quality products, and competitive prices. If you have any new ideas or concepts for the products, please feel free to contact us. We are glad to work together with you and finally bring you the satisfied product.